Say hello to Santa. He's here to say hello to you and to tell you Happy New Year. Till we meet next year. Take care. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. He's singing. Okay, keep singing. He's telling keep singing. Okay. Bye. 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 Oh, Santa is going away. Say bye to him, okay? He's going, he's going, he's going. You want to say once more hello? Okay, go ahead. Santa, tell hello. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. So you met Santa and he told you to stay happy. Are you going to stay happy? Yes. Be happy always. Happy, happy, happy. How do you stay happy? You can be always thankful. When you're thankful, you can be always happy. If you're not thankful, if you're always complaining, you will never be happy. So stay happy by saying thank you and say you if you love your parents, say I love you and thank you Papa, thank you Mama, thank you to your grandparents, thank you to anybody and everybody who is within your family and to everybody who helps you. Okay? Say thank you always. And you'll be staying happy. So we have come to the chapter 7. We are going to continue with that. Page number 48. And we are going to listen to B4. Look at that. Let's go. Let's listen.
Listen to Nirmal talking about his dog.
This is my dog. His name is Bart. He is 2 years old. He is brown and white. He eats bones and rice. I give him a bath. We walk to the park. He chases birds. He plays catch with me. He sleeps in my room.
Okay. We listen to Nirmal. He's talking about the name of his dog, the color of his dog. So he's telling the name of my dog is Bart, and his name is Bart. The color of his dog is brown and white, and he talks about playing catch in the park, and he says that his dog likes to chase birds and he likes to play in his room. So whenever you have a pet, you will talk about whatever he likes to do with you. Okay, now let's listen to the next record. I want you to listen to this once more. And there is one correction you have to make. In the last class, we had looked at what do pet animals need. All animals need food, shelter, and care. So I want you to correct the spelling of care because it was missing. C-A-R-E. Write down all animals need food, shelter, and care. Okay?
Hi Mike. Hi Asma. Tell me what do you like to do in the park? I like playing cricket in the park with Ronit.
Yes, I play cricket in the park with Mike every day.
That is good. I like running and play catch in the park with my dog. Rima, do you go to the park? Yes, I love to play on the slide and swing with my sister.
So you listen to them, the small children, they were standing in a group and they were talking about what they like to do in the park. Now, repeat with me. Work in small groups of 4. You have to answer. Ask your friends what they do in the park. Your friends may answer the questions with the help of the words in the box. Take turns. So now you watch. What are the words they were using? You can listen to that once more. And here are some of the words that they were using. And this will help you. Repeat with me. I like to play in the park. So play. Play is a word. What do? You play in the park. You play on the swing. I like to play on the swing. You can speak when you say, I like to play on the slide. I like to run in the park. I like to meet my friends in the park. I like to eat snacks in the park. I like to walk in the park. I like to do exercise. I love to do my exercise daily in the park. I jog and exercise in the park. So these are the way you can speak. So these are the words you will use. Okay. So whatever you're doing in the park, you will describe it using those words. Now let's look at page number 49. Now repeat with me. Look at the pictures of the children with their pets. They take care of their pets in different ways. Listen to them. Now tell your friends how you take care of your pets. So now you have to look at the picture and listen carefully. Okay? I want you to listen to the conversation. Okay, let's listen to the audio clip.
Look at the pictures of the children with their pets. They take care of their pets in different ways. Listen to them. Now, tell your friends how you take care of your pets.
I have a pet cat. It has a soft white coat. I feed her milk every day.
I have a pet hen. I look after her. I clean her home every day. She looks at me and clucks happily. I have a pet dog. He is very naughty and playful. I take him out for a walk daily. He loves playing catch with me. I have a pet goat. I take care of my goat and bathe her regularly. She loves eating fresh green grass. I have a pet rabbit. He has a soft white fur. He hops around the house. He loves to nibble on carrots.
I have a pet parrot. He has a shiny red beak. He likes to eat green chilies. He loves flying in my room.
Now repeat with me. First one is I have a pet cat. Repeat with me. I have a pet cat. It has a soft white coat. I feed her milk every day. Second one. I have a pet hen. Repeat after me. I have a pet hen. I look after her. I clean her coop every day. She looks at me and clucks happily. I have a pet hen. I look after her. I clean her coop every day. She looks at me and clucks happily. What's the meaning of coop? I clean her coop. That's a place where you keep your hen. The name of the place where you keep your hen is called a coop. And she looks at me and clucks happily. What is clucking? That is when the hen will be very happy and it will go cluck, 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 cluck. That is clucking happily. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. So the third one is, what were you listening to? She was telling, I have a pet dog. He's very naughty and playful. I have a pet dog. He's very naughty and playful. I take him for a walk daily. He loves playing catch with me. What is to play catch? Yes, when you throw something, your dog will go and fetch it. If you're training your dog, if you throw something, your dog will go and fetch it for you. So when you're throwing something, if you're throwing a ball, your dog will go and take it, fetch it. Catch. That's catch. I think so. That's catch. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. Fourth one. Okay. The next one is I have a pet goat. Repeat with me. I have a pet goat. I take care of her and bathe her regularly. I take care of her and bathe her regularly. She loves eating fresh green grass. So, what is the meaning of bathe? Yes, when you are washing your goat or anything, if you are going to take a bath, you'll say, I am going to take a bath, or you can say, I. Next one, I have a pet rabbit. He has soft white fur. He hops around the house. He loves to nibble carrots. I have a pet rabbit. He has soft white fur. He hops around the house. He loves to nibble carrots. So now that is such a cute thing. Yes? Do you love rabbits? Rabbits are very soft and they have very soft fur. So we have skin, but rabbits have fur. Okay? And what does a rabbit love to eat? Rabbits love to nibble carrots. Nibbling is they eat very slowly. Nibble, nibble. So when you're not eating your food properly, your mother might tell you, don't nibble, eat up, eat your food quickly. So you can nibble something that is small bites. You're taking small nibbles or small bites. That's how a rabbit eats. Okay, nibbles carrots. Okay, now next one, let's repeat that. I have a pet parrot. He has a shiny red beak. I have a pet parrot. He has a shiny red beak. He loves to eat green chilies. He loves flying in my room. He loves to eat green chilies. He loves flying in my room. So, when you have birds as pet, can you keep them locked in a cage? No, you should let them out. If they are not kept, they should not be kept locked. So, birds should be free to fly. So, here you have listened to all these friends. They were talking about their pets. Now, let's look at the next page. That is page number. So, there is one more thing. There are words that you are using to describe how to take care of your pet. So, let's look at that first. So here are some words to help you, and I want you to repeat. Feed. I feed my pet cat milk every day. Or you can say, I feed my dog bones and rice every day. Or you can say if you are talking about a pet goat, I feed my pet goat green fresh grass every day. Or you can say, I feed my rabbit carrots every day. I clean my pet and I look after my pet. Clean and look after my pet. I play with my pet. I give milk to my pet cat. I walk my dog. What is walking? When you're taking your dog for a walk outside, that is, I like to walk my dog in the park every day. I like to walk my cat with my cat and play with my cat every day. But actually, you can only take a dog for a walk on a leash. What is a leash? The chain that you put on the dog's neck and you hold it. That's how you take a dog for a walk. Okay, look at the next. I take care of my pet. I feed my pet. I take care of my pet. I bathe my pet. I bathe her regularly. He was talking about the goat. I bathe her. I take care of my goat and I bathe her regularly. Bathe is when you are giving it a shower. Okay, next one. I bathe my goat. I love my pet. So if you love your pet, you will say, I love my pet. So these are some of the words you can use. So I want you to repeat and listen to all of this and repeat these. And when you repeat, you're going to become fluent. So small sentences. Are you all speaking? Very good. I want all of you to speak in English at home. You are speaking your mother tongue. You can learn all the languages by speaking. If you don't speak, you cannot learn a language. Do you want to learn new languages? Do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn Hindi? Do you want to learn any other new language? You have to speak. Okay? So, if you don't speak, you are not going to learn anything. So keep speaking in small sentences with your parents. If you make mistake, not a problem. So stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you all. Take care, children. Bye. See you next week.